I believe that in every pitch, there are two briefs. The first, which we all know and love, usually has a target demographic, hopefully some insights. These days, generally a list of media buys we have to fit the creative into. And we use those to create really strong work. But when you go in to sell that work, those briefs are misleading. And that's because the people who approve our advertising are never the same as the people those ads are made for. Think about it this way. I have never in my entire career been asked to convince the CMO of a company to buy more of their own product or service. And that is where the second brief comes in, the one I call the invisible brief. It's the document that guides me in how to present my work to the client so that they have an emotional reaction, so that I can persuade them to buy the work that is in their own best interests. If you vote for this panel by clicking a button that's around here somewhere, I will reveal the invisible brief to you at South by Southwest. I will tell you the questions that I believe are on the invisible brief, how I try to answer them before walking into a presentation, and what those answers mean for different kinds of clients. And armed with that knowledge, I have no doubt that you will be able to convince clients to buy work as successfully as you convince thousands of strangers to buy random products and services that they probably don't need.